Hey everyone, this is Kenji López-Alt. I'm here at Lomo's, which is a restaurant in the northern part of Bogotá, Colombia. They specialize in Lomo al Trapo. Lomo al Trapo literally translates to beef tenderloin in dish towel, but here at the restaurant they use cheesecloth. So what you do is you cover it with salt, you add your beef tenderloin, then you wrap it all up into a tight package, tie it with string, and then you throw it directly onto hot burning embers. My wife grew up in the cold mountains outside of Bogotá, and her family would do this in the fireplace. But you can do it in a campfire, you could do it out in your backyard on hot coals. You let it cook, flipping it once in the middle, and at about 12 minutes for rare or 18 minutes or so for medium total, you take it out and you crack it open like that dog at the end of Ghostbusters, except what comes out is super well-seasoned, perfectly cooked beef. Here at the restaurant they flambe it with brandy afterwards, but if you want to keep it simple, you can just take some of that smoky salt from the crust and use that to season the meat. This is Lomo al Trapo, and it is definitely something that is worth eating.